What if you could earn interest on your money without a bank? What if you could borrow, lend, and invest to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with no middleman taking a cut? That's not a fantasy. That's DeFi. And in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what it is, how it works, and how everyday people are making money from it right now. Welcome to CoinAndCash, finance and crypto made simple. If you're new here, hit subscribe. Today we're talking about DeFi, one of the most powerful and most misunderstood concepts in crypto. Let's break it down. What is DeFi? DeFi stands for decentralized finance. Let's break that down. Traditional finance is centralized. That means a bank, a government, or a financial institution sits in the middle of every transaction you make. You want to send money? The bank approves it. You want a loan? The bank decides. You want to earn interest? The bank offers you 0.5%. While they lend your money out at 15%, DeFi removes that middleman entirely. Instead of a bank controlling the rules, DeFi uses smart contracts, self-executing code that lives on a blockchain. The rules are written into the code. When conditions are met, transactions happen automatically. No human approval, no business hours, no geographical restrictions. Anyone with an internet connection and a crypto wallet can access DeFi. Whether you're in New York or Lagos, the same opportunities are available to you. That's a fundamental shift in how finance works. How does DeFi actually work? DeFi runs on blockchain networks, most commonly Ethereum, but also newer chains like Solana, Avalanche, and Aptos. These blockchains host DeFi, applications called protocols or dApps, decentralized applications. Instead of logging into a bank, you connect a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Phantom to a DeFi protocol. Your wallet is your identity, your account, and your vault all in one. The most common DeFi activities are lending and borrowing, trading on decentralized exchanges, and providing liquidity. We'll get into each of those in a moment. The key thing to understand is your money never leaves your control. You are always holding the keys. The protocol just facilitates the activity. Ways to make money with DeFi. Here are the main ways people generate income through DeFi. First, lending. You deposit crypto into a lending protocol like AB or Compound. Other users borrow it and pay interest. You earn that interest automatically, often far higher than any traditional bank would offer. Second, liquidity providing. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap need liquidity to function. You deposit 2 tokens into a liquidity pool and earn a percentage of every trade that happens through that pool. Every swap, every trade, you get a cut. Third, yield farming. This involves moving your assets between different DeFi protocols to maximize returns. It's more complex and more risky, but the rewards can be significant. Fourth, staking. Many DeFi protocols reward you for locking up their tokens to help secure the network. You earn more tokens just for holding and staking. These aren't guaranteed returns. DeFi comes with real risks, but the opportunities are unlike anything traditional finance offers. The risks you need to know. DeFi is powerful, but it's not without danger. Here's what you need to understand before putting any money in. Smart contract risk. The code that powers DeFi protocols can have bugs or vulnerabilities. Hackers look for these constantly. Billions of dollars have been lost to smart contract exploits. Always use well-audited, established protocols. A volatility risk. Crypto assets can drop 50% or more very quickly. If the assets you deposited lose value, your returns may not cover your losses. Rug pulls. Some DeFi projects are built by anonymous teams who disappear with investor funds. Research everything before you put money in. If the APY sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Start small. Learn the platforms. Use only money you can afford to lose while you're learning. DeFi rewards the informed and punishes the careless. How to get started with DeFi. If you want to explore DeFi, here are the steps to get started safely. Step 1. Get a crypto wallet. MetaMask is the most popular for Ethereum-based DeFi. Download it, secure your seed phrase, and never share it with anyone. Step 2. Buy some crypto. You'll need crypto to interact with DeFi protocols. Start with ETH or a stablecoin like USDC from a reputable exchange. Step 3. Start with a reputable protocol. Aave, Uniswap, and Compound are among the most established and audited DeFi protocols in the space. Start there. Step 4. Start small. Put in an amount you're comfortable losing while you learn. Understand the interface, understand the fees, understand what you're doing before scaling up. DeFi is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a new financial system, and the people who take time to learn it properly are the ones who will benefit most. DeFi is one of the most exciting and most misunderstood corners of crypto. Now you understand what it is, how it works, and how to approach it safely. If this video opened your eyes to something new, hit subscribe. We break down crypto and finance every single week on CoinAndCash. Drop a comment. Have you tried DeFi? What was your experience? See you in the next one.